Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm pretty much going to show you guys how I do my crimps and install my wig in that order. So this wig is from Supernova Hair. So they sent me their 99J body wave wig in 180 density. So it is pretty thick and it was in 26 inches. So it's pretty long as well. And yeah, so I'm not gonna do too much rambling. I'm gonna just show you guys how the wig came before, just so you can see it in its body wave state, and then I'll head into the video. So thank you so much for watching. The links for this wig will be in the description box below, and just keep on watching if you'd like to see how I achieved this look. Okay y'all, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and section off a piece, which I've already done and straightened, and I'm going to wrap up the rest with an elastic band and get to crimping. Done that, we're gonna just go ahead and take our pieces, section them off into 2 even pieces, and then I'm just gonna go in and start to crimp. So just hold the hair on the barrel for a good 10 seconds before you get to the other crimp. This style typically takes anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes to do, and because this wig is fully glueless, then that's a plus for us, so we don't have to worry about doing a super long installation and having that process being super long as well. So right here, it's just me crimping, and yeah, so just keep on watching, and I will definitely cue some background music, and I'll put the wig on my head when I get to the top and crimp the top pieces of the hair on camera with the wig on my head. So yeah. Okay, so that's the first piece down, and now we have to do the exact same thing to this piece over here. What I am going to do is use my hairspray and just lightly spray it all over. And now I'm going to pretty much finish this top half with you guys, but I'm going to do a time lapse just so it's quicker. You guys get the gist of how to crimp, so it's really self-explanatory. And if you have this iron, it's only one way to crimp, so let's just speed it up some more, and I'll see you guys when I have the wig on. Okay, y'all, so this is the end result. This is what all my crimps look like. And yeah, so let's just get into the installation portion of this video. Okay, so now that I've done all that crimping and stuff, it's time to actually cut the lace. I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna just go right ahead and cut the lace. And as you can see, it's already pre-plucked. Wait, no, it's already plucked. I went in and I plucked some more, even though it was like already pre-plucked. Okay, so now that we've had one side down, it's time to do the other side. And this side is plucked as well. And now that we are done with that, it's time to just position the wig on our heads where we actually want it to lay. And because this is a middle part, I won't be gluing the sides down or anything. This will be a glueless install. And what I will be doing is forming some baby hairs. So I'm gonna just like speed that portion up and then I'll be right back. So now that we've done that, got to be gel edges brush, so edge brush, and this I'm gonna use a little. You really don't need a lot because this is really what's gonna hold your wig down. So first you gotta just part out where you want your baby hairs to be at, which I already did. That's why it looks like this in the front. And now we're gonna just go in and pull them down with this toothbrush, of course, and push back some of the hairs that you're not gonna use. So now that we've gotten enough hair to make the baby hairs, I am going to go ahead and take my razor, cut it. Once I've cut it, I'm gonna go in with another dab of Got To Be gel, and this time we're gonna mold it and curve it and shape it to how we want it to be. So this is how I want my baby hair to look. And this is probably like the easiest step or the easiest way or demonstration of doing baby hairs, or edges at least. So now that we've done that part, we're gonna do this part. It's already parted out, and you just part it out by using your toothbrush and pretty much eyeing how much hair you want to form your baby hair. You don't want it to be too little because then it's gonna look weird, and then you don't want it to be too much because you don't want it to look crazy. So once you found the perfect blend or mix and you cut it with the razor, again, use your finger to hold it down while you shape and mold the baby hairs. And then what we're going to do is put some Got To Be on our hand or fingertips and pretty much blend in the lace in the front. You can do that all over on the hairline, but because I'm doing a middle part and I don't plan to tuck anything behind my ear, I won't be doing that. And yeah, so this is how it looks. This is so cute. Okay, so that pretty much completes this tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you Supernova Hair for sending me this lovely wig for me to show and demonstrate how I do crimps and install. My glueless install, this was very quick and easy. The crimps definitely took most of the video up, but yeah, so that's how I get my crimps done. And the links for this wig, this 99J wig, will be in the description box for anyone who'd like to check it out. And I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.